Hi all. Assalamu alaikum. It's me Shiju and welcome to Isha's World. In this video we are going to talk about at-tahiyya, greeting. And let us start with the new words. The first word is kitabun. Kitabun means book. And the next word is tawilatun. It is tawilatun means table. And the next word is qalamun. It is qalamun means pencil. For pen also we say qalamun. And the next word is madrasatun. It is madrasatun means school. And the next word is hakibatun. Hakibatun means bag. And kursiyun. It is kursiyun means chair. And the next word is sabahun. It is sabahun means morning. And masaun. It is masaun means evening. And now let us recap. The first word is qalamun, pencil. Kitabun, book. And madrasatun, school. And tawilatun, table. And sabahun, morning. Hakibatun, bag. Masaun, evening. Kursiyun, chair. I hope all of you understood the lesson at-tahiyya. Hope to see you soon with another video. Till then, bye and thank you.